everyone. Today I am so excited because I got another fun activity. See, here's a poem, a few exercises, and also one curling work which I love. Okay, so let's start. Oh, here's a fluffy rabbit with 2 ears so very long. And I forgot to tell you one thing. This would be a very funny story because it's not even in a rhythm. Okay, so long is done. See him hop, hop, hop about and legs so very strong. See what I mean? He nibbles carrots from for his dinner. See me, every day. And as soon as he has had enough, he hops away. So here's exercises. So number 1, the rabbit is. Let's choose from here. So it is written fluffy. So I think we have to take here. So I'm going to take here fluffy because I love fluffy rabbits. So fluffy. F. I hope this will be good one. F and then L U and then double F and then Y. Fluffy. Now next, the rabbit has dash ears. I'm going to go with too long, but ears is already done, so ears we have to leave. So TWO. So TW.
Small t.
Small t, where's the big one? It's okay. Here's it. Ting, ting. I have to make it small. Because this is already. So TWO2 long. So let's see where long. So LONG is long. So wait, I need to measure. So LONG, long. Can you see this? Whoop, whoop. This much long. See here. Whoop, whoop. This much long it is. Okay, the line which I made, I have to rub. So the rabbit has strong legs. So should I write 2 legs or one or only legs? Let's write only legs. So here we go. So let's see. Is there legs? I think there will be legs somewhere. Yeah, here is legs. So L will be small. So LEG. Oh my god. S. Legs. Okay, now only 2 more are left. Then we can do this big bunny coloring. Here. And look, it's so cute. And I got my colors ready. These are pastel colors. Okay, so let's do this one. What does the rabbit nibble? I'm going to choose for carrot. So where are you, carrot? Where are you, carrot? I hope carrot will be here. Yeah, here it is. See? So I'm choosing it will be small because this is already big. So, or yeah. I'm choosing small. CARR. Oh my god. I think I'll have to rub it again. Because this is not good. No. Tiny bit smaller, yeah. CARR. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. CARR and then I think I saw it. Yeah, OTS. O and then T and then S. Carrot. I'm writing carrots because they eat a lot carrots. And I hope if they eat a strong carrot, I hope their one little teeth will not break. Okay, so now where does the rabbit go? Away. I'm writing because where it would go, we don't know. So away. So let's write away. So this is already capital, so I'm having a feeling that it would be small. Okay, so I will do big then.
First letter should be
So,
capital.
A and then W, and then I saw another A, and then I'm writing a G, not a A. It's a G. So A, and then so let's see. It has to be Y. Yeah, away. Now it's time for the fun.
This should be capital. The C.
Okay. Thanks for giving a hint.
First letter
I'm sorry.
of the sentence.
So let's see. Oh my God. So it looks like it has to be. Actually, it's this much. So see, I do not have a feeling. Okay, the line, tiny line. I had made a line also. Okay, so now these are questions. Rather, now the fun part is the coloring. Wait, they just. So let's do the coloring. So I'm going to do the ears. So it looks like that this white part will not go. So I'm doing the ears. So here I have to say. Actually, I had done it with the light one with the normal crayons, but it will not be able to see. But this will make it more good. So color, and this is one of my favorite parts to do is coloring. And we have to do a tiny bit here also to make it more cute. Because it is there, not it is there. Silly me. I said an ick. That's not a word. Ick. I'm a doofy. I'm a silly. Okay, so now to do tiny there. So I'm guessing they have done like this much maybe. So I'm going to do this much. I don't really know, so I'm just gonna do this much pink at its stomach. I think it's touching, so touch it. Oh, it's here also. I had no idea. Oopsie, I got it there. Silly. Okay, now the white. It is already white, so I have a green color. I'm going to make shade at the carrot. So let's see. We have to see very carefully. So this green, my ponytail. So I'm putting eraser or a book. Okay, so green. Okay, so light green here and then darker here. I have to make it. I don't think so. This would go out well. Well, light here and dark here. And then this will be different. Dark up here and light little here. And then rest I'm going to do is dark. Okay, so now it's the juicy carrot. So, ting, 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 ting. And I have something to tell you. If you are coloring in this way, only all will be in this way. If you are coloring in this way, all will be in this way. If in this way, all that way. If this way, all that way. Okay, everyone. But for outline, if you are doing the outline first, you have to move up and down. Okay. Oops, it's going out. I think this might be too thick. Papa is getting ready. I don't know why he's making that sound.
No, I'm on leave today.
It's Monday.
Yes, but I'm on leave.
Grade 12. There should, like this, there should be no picky. Picky, picky. Picky, picky. So this is all. I think the